Hello and welcome to the video. Computer shortcut keys. Computer shortcut keys perform tasks fast and efficiently. In this video, we will learn and know about Word shortcut keys and Excel shortcut keys. In another video, we have learned the basic computer shortcut keys and Microsoft Windows shortcut keys. Please subscribe our channel to get updated videos. Let's start. Word shortcut keys. Control A. Select all contents of the page. Control B. Bold highlighted selection. Control C. Copy selected text. Control X. Cut selected text. 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 Control N. Open new or blank document. Control O. Open options. Control P. Open the print window. Control F. Open find box. Control I. Italy's highlighted selection. Control K. Insert link. Control U. Underline highlighted selection. Control V. Paste. Control Y. Redo the last action performed. Control Z. Undo last action. Control G. Find and replace options. Control H. Find and replace options. Control J. Justify paragraph alignment. Control L. Align selected text or line to the left. Control Q. Align selected paragraph to the left. Control E. Align selected text or line to the center. Control R. Align selected text or line to the right. Control M. Indent the paragraph. Control T. Hanging indent. Control D. Font options. Control Shift F. Change the font. Control Shift increase selection font. Control Shift arrow increase selected font +1. Control third bracket increase selection font +1. Control third bracket open decrease selected font -1. Control Shift star view or hide non-printing characteristics. Control left arrow move one word to the left. Control right arrow move one word to the right. Control up arrow move to the beginning of the line or paragraph. Control down arrow move to the end of the paragraph. Control delete word to the right of the cursor. Control backspace delete word to the left of the cursor. Control and move cursor to end of the document. Control home move cursor to the beginning of the document. Control space reset highlighted text to default font. Control 1 single space lines. Control 2 double space lines. Control 5 1.5 line spacing. Control Alter 1 change text to heading 1. Control Alter 2 change text to heading 2. Control Alter 3 change text to heading 3. F1 open help. Shift F3 change case of selected text. Shift insert paste. F4 repeat the last action performed. Word 2000 plus. F7 spell check selected text and or document. Shift F7 activate the thesaurus. Thesaurus. F12 save as. Control S save. Shift F12 save. Alter Shift D insert the current date. Control Shift T insert the current time. Control W close document. Now we will know Excel shortcut keys. F2 edit the selected cell. F5 go to a spacing cell. F7 spell check selected text text and or document. F11 create chart. Control Shift plus enter the current time. Control plus enter the current date. Alter Shift F1 insert new worksheet. Shift F3 open the Excel formula window. Shift F5 bring up the search box. Control A select all contents of a worksheet. Control B bold highlighted selection. Control I italics selected selection highlighted selection. Control C copy selected text. Control V paste. Control D fill. Control K insert ink. Control F open find and replace options. Control G open go to options. Control H open find and replace options. Control U underline highlighted selection. Control Y underline selected text. Control 5 strike through highlighted selection. Control O open option. Control N open new document. Control P open print dialog box. Control S save. Control Z undo last action. Control F9 minimize current window. Control F10 maximize currently selected window. Control F6 switch between open workbooks or windows. Control page up and page down move between Excel worksheets in the same document. Control Tab move between two or more open Excel files. Control plus create the formula to sum all of the above cells. Control plus insert the value of above cell into the current cell. Control Shift exclamatory sign. Format number in comma format. Control Shift dollar sign. Format number in currency format. Control Shift hashtag. Format number in date format. Control Shift percent. Format number in percentage format. Control Shift uppercase. Format number in scientific format. Control Shift format number in time format. Control right arrow move to next selection of text. Control space select entire column and Shift space select entire row. Shift space select entire row. Control W close document. Today hope we can add this section also Outlook shortcut keys. It's an extra, but uh, This is also used when we use Outlook. Now start. Alt S. Send the email. Control C. Copy selected text. Control X. Cut selected text. Control P. Open print dialog box. Control K. Complete name or email typed in address bar. Control B. Bold highlighted selection. Control I. Italize highlighted selection. Control U. Underline highlighted selection. Control R. Reply to an email. Control A. Forward an email. Control N. Create a new email. Control Shift A. Create a new appointment to your calendar. Control Shift O. Open the outbox. Control Shift I. Open the inbox. Control Shift K. Add a new task. Control Shift C. Create a new contact. Control Shift J. Create a new journal entry. Hope you enjoyed this informative video. Thank you.